You cannot serve two masters. One you love, the other despise. One you be loyal to, the other you'll be disloyal to. And right on the heels of it is talking. He will start talking about not to worry. And the key to not worrying is what you're thinking about, what you're considering by what you're looking at. So let's read. Therefore I say to you, verse 25, do not worry about your life. Do not worry about your life, what you eat or what you will drink, nor about the body, what you will put on. Is not life more than food and the body more than clothing? Verse 26. Look at the birds of the air. So the remedy of not to worry about your life is to look at something else that doesn't pertain to your body. Look at the birds of the air, for they neither sow nor reap nor gather into barns, yet your heavenly Father feeds them. There's great help here for all of us. When the intensity of the moment is there and you are right at that moment beginning to look on a difficult matter, a hardship, a heartache, a disappointment, a grief, a sorrow coming your way. At that moment, you are to look away from that. Look at the birds of the air. Consider the liberty of the birds of the air. Free from care. Free from anxiousness of mind. Where is my next feeding? My next paycheck? Who's going to give me a job? I don't make enough to make a living. I'm running out again. I don't have enough for retirement. I can't pay my bills. I don't have enough in the savings account. I'm not rich. I'm broke. Look at the birds of the air. Look at the birds of the air. Oh, Deci, I can't do that. I got to figure out my next moment. Look at the birds of the air. The good fight of faith is what we see Father Abraham exemplify to us. He did not consider his body as though it was as good as dead, nor the deadness of his wife Sarah's womb. But he considered the one who gave him the promise that he will be a father of many nations. Romans 4. He had to make a choice where he will look at and what he will mull over. The promise of God or the circumstance at hand that bore no fruit, had no promise for a good future, no good end to his life, no one to leave his inheritance to, but a servant of his own household. And these are truly the issues that human minds grapple with. And the sad part of it is, Christians, we Christians, find ourselves in these places of doubt and unbelief. It is worry. We can't serve two masters, making a living, making a living, and giving no thought to the divine calling of God to be a light. And in that call, there is a provision. How? By looking at the birds of the air.